guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make a faux leather lumbar pillow. So before we start, I do need to say I don't have any formal sewing training, so I'm sure there's a better way to do this or a more accurate way, technical way, but this works. I've made a couple of them so far and it's been really good, super easy, no need to do any zippers, buttons. Yeah, it takes like 10 to 20 minutes and they look really good.
So the pillow that I bought was 16 by 26 inches. So I cut one piece of the faux leather exactly to the dimensions of the pillow. So this is 16 by 26. And then I cut another piece. I added 4 inches to the length. So I cut another piece to be 16 by 30 and I cut it in half, so I have two 16 by 15 inch pieces. So this is the 16 inch side, and then this one is 15 inches. So I'm going to take this from the 15 inch side and I'm going to fold in one of the edges and then just pin it in place so that I can sew this end in. This is going to be where the pillow gets inserted between the two folds in the fabric. And then I'm going to repeat that with the other piece. So this is the 16 inch and this is the 15 inch, and I'm going to take this side here and just fold it in about 1/4 of an inch, I would say, and repeat with this one. Once you have one side of each of the 16 by 15 inch pieces pinned on the side, you're just going to straight stitch along each of these pieces to secure it. Once you've sewn your two edges, you're going to take all of your pieces and lay them together with the outside facing in. And these two back pieces should overlap by about 1 inch or so. This will be your slot where your pillow goes in. Then you're just going to pin around all of the edges, and then you're going to straight stitch around the whole pillow. Once all the edges are sewn, you can remove all the pins and then turn the pillow right side out. And then once you have your cover sewn, you can stuff it with your new pillow and throw it on your couch.